Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I'm going to be talking about Exitus Elite, how we get paid, and why I joined the opportunity. I joined the opportunity because I was sick and tired of seeing businesses fail. There were many opportunities that I did very well in, and just as I'm getting started and getting my momentum, the owner sells the company, and then the person who buys it does nothing with the platform. The reason why I like Paul Stevenson in Exitus Elite is because he cares about the business. He's been running it for over 11 years now. In August of this year, it's going to be 12 years old. And it's still getting major updates, which is unheard of in this industry, that it's been lasting this long and is still getting major updates. And that's why I like about this platform. I've seen leaders from other affiliate businesses come back to Exitus Elite because it's proven itself. It still pays out successfully. I got a $500 commission 2 weeks ago. You've probably seen it in some of my other videos. $500. Imagine if you got 6 of those G500 sales a month. Or how about 6 of the G1000 sales? I mean, that's life-changing income. That can help a lot. And how we get paid in Exitus Elite, we get paid member to member. There is an admin fee on each product level, and the admin fee goes to Exitus Elite, and then you pay me my commission. So you pay your sponsor or the person that brings you in their commission. And we have all kinds of different ways of getting paid. We got Cash App, Zelle, Bitcoin, Stripe, what you name it. We have a bunch of different payment processes we can get paid our instant commissions. Now, I joined Exitus Elite because I wanted a stable platform where I didn't have to worry about bringing anyone into it. And another reason why I chose Exitus Elite, because I believe in it. I don't pay over $1,200 to an opportunity I don't believe in. Because between the admin fee and paying my sponsor his commission when I came in at the G1000, it was around like $1,200. So I don't spend that kind of money if I don't believe in the business. And I'm not going to pretend and hold things back just to make sales. I am going to tell you everything about Exitus Elite, everything about it, because I love this business, and I am not going to join another affiliate opportunity, because Exitus Elite has everything I need. I get calls, and I get people DMing me, would you like to join this business? And I'm like, no, I already have my stable vehicle that I'm going to drive with for many, many years to come. I'm not saying that there aren't other good things out there, but Exitus Elite is everything I believe in. It's a working vehicle that I can drive into the future with, and I don't need anything else. Yes, I'm a part of Power Lead System, and I still promote that because that's another stable business. But all I have to say is I just love Exitus Elite. I love how we can get paid. So I'm going to close this video up now. And if you want to check out Exitus Elite, you can do it in the description below. The link is there. And if you have any questions, comment below. Like the video if you liked it. And subscribe to my channel. And you'll see new videos about Exitus Elite and motivation, because that's another thing I do, mostly in my shorts. But yeah, Exitus Elite, 100% really good business. I love it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.